In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Peacock. Step 1. Access the account profile menu. On your device, open the Peacock app or website. Tap the left directional button or select your profile icon at the top or bottom of the menu. Step 2. Enter account settings. Navigate to the account gear icon or select the account or settings option in the menu. Step 3. Select sign out option. Scroll to the bottom of the settings screen and select sign out. Then confirm when prompted. Step 4. Log out on the browser, desktop or laptop. Go to peacocktv.com, click your account icon at the upper right, choose sign out from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Remotely sign out of all devices. Visit peacocktv.com on your desktop, then go to account, then devices and select sign out of all devices to log out everywhere at once. Now I have some tips for you. Logging out does not cancel your subscription. Some devices only allow sign out all and not individual logout. Repeat these steps for each device you want to sign out. And that's how you log out of your Peacock account. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.